Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to save your artwork as a JPG in Krita. To export a JPG, go to the top menu and click File, then Export. This is the recommended way to create common web or image formats from a Krita project. In the file dialog that opens, navigate to where you want to save the image and then type a file name ending in .jpg or .jpeg. Press Save. Krita will then show an export options window for JPG. In the JPG export options, you can set a quality slider. Higher values around 80 to 100% give better image fidelity with bigger file size, while lower values shrink size at some loss of detail. JPG doesn't support transparency, so transparent areas will become a solid color, usually white. Click OK in the export options, and Krita will create your new flattened JPG file at the location you picked. You can now open it in other programs or upload it online. And that's how you save an image as a JPG in Krita. Thanks for watching.